want to show you now is step by step how to make a toothbrush rug, similar to the ones here. What we'll start off with is what I'll call part 1 on how to prepare and join your material. So these rugs here are all made from old sheets or bedding, and what you do is you take all the seams out of your sheet or your bedding and maybe cut it into 4, and what you're going to do is get your scissors, use the wind a little bit, and I cut mine about a thumb width, so you see that? You do a snip about a thumb width. You could measure if you want, but I just think this is easier. Just be careful you don't snip your finger. Now all the snips. What I want to do is tear it down a little bit. Okay. Now, because I'm on my own, that might be quite hard to tear it all at once, so I'm going to tear it in half. That side over there. You've got your twine strips. Just fold it over like that. I want every other one in my right hand, and what's left in my left hand. Yeah? So now I'm going to start tearing. Now, if you haven't got the strength to do that, I'll just show you this now. I'm going to go to the floor here. Take what's in your right hand, just twist that round. Strips all the same size. I'll just show you again with the other side. I've torn them down. Every other one in the right hand. What's left in the left. That's too hard for you to do. Just twist that round, put it under your foot. And there we go. What you need to do then, you take each strip, and this is how I do it. Just fold it over. Because you've torn it, you're going to have strands. You need to take those strands off, because if you don't, they will go into the rug and make the rug look a bit bitty. See how they come off? If you were to cut your strips, you wouldn't get these strands, but you'd get little bits of strands that you'd never get out of your rug. So what I suggest is that you always tear your strips and not cut them. And one more. So they're ready for use now. And what I'm going to do now is show you how to join your strips. So what you have, this is one of the strips. So that's the two ends. Just fold them over together and make a very small slit in the end. There you've done two ends. And then you get another strip. Just fold it over a little bit. When you're joining your strips, when you're doing your rug, one of these would already be on the rug. When you want a new strip, you always put the new strip on top of the old one. So that I'm joining that hole with that hole. Then I'm taking the other end of this one. I'm coming up through the two holes. Two joined. I'll show you once again. I've already got a slit in that one. Two ends. Fold it over. So that's the strip I'm already using. One, two. And that's it. I hope this has been helpful.